Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making some Easter bag toppers. I am including this in a swap that I am doing, so I just need to make some Easter bag toppers. So I never really made these things. I know people make them all the time and you know, you have a doily and stuff. I'm backing it with a circle because I want it to be sturdier. I don't like that they're normally not very sturdy because doilies are obviously not that sturdy. So I will be putting mine onto the circle thing and then we'll probably just score it or something afterwards. I'm not really entirely sure. Maybe I should probably score it first. I don't know, guys. I also print and cut some ephemera, and these back toppers are going to be 100% inspired by Happy French Craft Maker. I believe that was her Instagram, and I just saw like a Pinterest kind of post, and I was like, ooh, let me make some of these. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, so the first thing I did is just glue the circles to my doily. Okay, I don't have my doilies in various sizes or anything. I only have this blue and a green and then this gold. So we're just kind of working with what I do have. You know, now with everything happening with everything in China, Aliexpress isn't really shipping stuff right now, so it's been really hard to get stuff considering I buy like all my stuff from Aliexpress. So I can't really do that. I'm going to score these down the middle. So I have my doily here. I'm going to look at kind of like the measurement, and then I'm going to score it. So this is a little less than 4.5, so half of 4.5 is 2.25, which is right here, and we want a little less than that. And I'm going to try to, you know, keep them even, but if they're not, I mean, what am I going to do, you know? I'm trying not to rip my... I don't want to rip my doily. Okay. Hoping that is fairly even. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, not too bad. Not too shabby, guys. Okay. So there's that one. And then let's do this one as well. But right before the 2.25. Okay, we're gonna go with it. Okay, guys. So there's that. Let me get my bone folder. I need to crease my lines. Okay, all right. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. I'm going to use this side, and this one is fine this way. Ah, they're actually looking pretty good, guys. I'm not going to lie. Okay, so then I also wanted to use this doily, but obviously it is a little too big. Do I even want to use this doily? Maybe I just want to alternate it with another color. Maybe I want to do white. No, I think white is going to be too much with this. Okay, so I'm going to cut this guy. Let me get my paper cutter. And I want to do something, like I want it just a little bit. So I got this in here. I'm going to line it up to where I think I need to cut it. And if it's a little shorter, that's okay. But this way, by doing it like this, I'll be able to get like 2 out of this thing. And then I could still use that other piece for like some embellishments or whatever else. Like this I could use as decoration on some other embellishments that I'll be making for my swap. Okay, so I have these 2 little half doilies, and we're just gonna stick them on. Oh, that looks really good. Yes, killing it, guys, killing it. Okay, gotta glue this on. We're doing so good. Killing this. Okay. Then let's do the other one. Look how good our bag toppers are looking so far, guys. They're looking so good. Okay. There we go. We got our bag toppers. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is just add bits and pieces. I think we're going to add like this pink one here. Oh, I also had this trim I could have used, but nope, that's way too gold. That's not going to work. But what might work is this green one that I have. Oh, I like that. We're going to put some of this trim on here. And then we could just cut that off. Okay, I like it. I don't know about this one because he's already green, but maybe. Maybe let's do one with the trim and one without the trim. I do like it on this one too, but let's just see how it is without. So, ooh, this one's better. Let me get some adhesive. I'm just using like leftover like foam that I had from crafting and stuff, and all I'm doing is basically cutting it up. Some of them they have adhesive on here already, some don't. Okay, so we're just cutting these up into little pieces because we're gonna use them. Okay, so this one, we're just going to glue this part down, the little basket. Okay, we're going to glue him down right there, and then we're going to pop this little chick up on some foam. See how easy this is? Save your foam, guys. If you don't use it all, that's okay. We don't always use them on, oh, I found the other heart. We don't always use them on, you know, sometimes we use them, sometimes we don't. It's just how it is. Oh, I like that. I'm going to glue these together. Okay. I'm gluing these little flowers together by just adding a little drop of glue to the bottom. Okay, and sticking those together, and then I'm going to add glue to both of the back sides, and those are going to go right here, and then I'm going to add this heart because I like it. Okay, there's one bag topper. We might come back to it and add a little bit more. But for now, let's just see. And look, guys, my little trash can. Oh, you guys can't see. My little trash can is coming in handy for like my little scraps. And it's nice. It's on my desk. So nice. You know what? I'm thinking, wait, I just did a check. So this one was going to do, we were going to do a housey. And then we were going to do the bunny. Which bunny was I going to do? Oh, this one. I like that. So let's do this housey. Also gonna add some hot glue back here because it is on top of some ribbon. Then, wait, which one was I gonna do? This one. This guy's gonna go on a dimensional, or, you know, on foam. Okay, and then this is just gonna pop right on here. How cute. And then, I don't know, do they need flowers? Probably not. Not this one. But this one might want like some gemmies and stuff, so let me get, or maybe actually let's do some Nouveau drops. I love my Nouveau drops. Okay, so I got 3 colors of these Nouveau drops, and hold on, let me try to clean up a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh, these are turning out so cute, guys. I love it. Okay, so this one, he's gonna get some, ooh, what about some Nouveau drops on his ears? Let's fill in the bunny ear. Oh, that looks cute. And then we'll fill in this one. There's so many uses for Nouveau drops. I normally use them as like enamel dots, but look how cute that looks when you just fill in the ear. I don't know if you guys could tell what I'm doing. This one, the little chick is gonna get some Nouveau drops on his cheeks. They're a little light pink, but they're hard to see, so we're gonna fill them in, and that's gonna look super adorable. It just adds like so much. I don't know why, but it does. Okay, then I'm gonna add some Nouveau drops as kind of like as, what am I saying? As little enamel dots, because I love using Nouveau drops as enamel dots. So I'm just adding those to the side. You guys could see just right here. Okay, and that one just has those 3. I'm going to flatten it out so that it could dry. And I'm actually going to add a yellow Nouveau drop into the inside of that bow that's on the basket. Okay, so there's that one. And then to finish this one, I'm not really sure where I want to put Nouveau drops, but I'm thinking we'll do a couple here. So I'll do a yellow one, and then I'll do I don't know. So we'll do a yellow, and we'll do this pink. Okay, and then I'm thinking right here, pink. I don't know if we're going to be able to see this one, so I'm going to put this one on top of the gold. And then we'll do a yellow. It's like a little cluster of enamel dots. Sometimes they just add so much to like a project. Alright, and that's actually going to be it for these little bag toppers. So let me show you guys up close what they look like. So here's the one that we have with the trim in the back. This is what the bag topper is going to look like. How cute is that? You got this little housey. I have a couple of Nouveau drops here that are drying. The trim in the background. Here we have the little bunny. Oh, his cheeks need to be pink. I did his ears with the Nouveau drops. Look at that. That looks so cute. We're going to do his cheeks in a second too. And then you have these little cluster of Nouveau drops right here. Okay. Let me just add to its cheeks before I forget, but let's do a different shade of pink, only because I feel like I just used that other one and I need something to stick out a little bit more. Oh, that's super rosy cheeks. Oh, but he looks so cute. All right, so that was just a darker pink. And then let me show you up close the second, or let me show you this one again. There you go, guys. Like, how much cuter did that bunny get just by adding those like darker rosy cheeks? He just got way cuter. All right, so there is that one bag topper. And then here is the second bag topper. This one has a little chick here, The little chick has little Nouveau drops on his cheeks. You have the basket here with a yellow Nouveau drop in the center of the bow. You have the heart background, some little flowers, and then 3 little Nouveau drops on the side here that are drying. So that is it, guys. How easy were these little bag toppers? They turned out so cute, and they were easy and fun to make. In all honesty, this feels like one of the faster projects I have made, but I'm sure when I look at the timestamp on the video and when I'm editing it, it won't be that fast. But these turned out really cute, and I have some Easter bag toppers to include in my swap. So there you guys have it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!